The Narwal Freo robot vacuum mop provides an optimal cleaning experience by inheriting mop self-cleaning, self-washing, and drying features, revolutionizing the auto-cleaning logic in your life. Equipped with Dirtsense Ultra Clean technology, it intelligently detects how dirty the mops are and sanitizes them with the exact amount of water mixed with the scientific ratio of floor cleaner. The Smart Swing Mopping feature, empowered by Corner Trap's technology, effectively deals with dust and stains in hard-to-reach areas like corners and baseboards. The patented high-speed spinning mop pads deliver 12 newtons of downward force, offering a deeper and safer clean without causing any damage to various flooring types, such as vinyl, tile, laminate, hardwood floors, and marble. The device boasts 3 mop drying modes with dual air tunnels and 40 degrees Celsius gentle heat, ensuring the mop pads are thoroughly dried after every use, making every mopping simple and sanitary. Though the device supports 2.4G Wi-Fi network, it is recommended to switch to 2.4G Wi-Fi for machine stability when using the robot according to your router setup instructions.